Best cheap keyboards. Are you looking for the best cheap keyboards? In this video we will look at 5 of the best cheap keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Cherry Stream Wireless Keyboard is an ergonomic, slim, and full-size keyboard designed for efficient and quiet typing. Equipped with SX scissor switch technology, the keyboard ensures precise keystrokes with a tactile yet quiet typing experience, making it ideal for home, office, or professional settings where noise reduction is essential. This keyboard features a QWERTY layout with a dedicated number pad, providing a practical setup for both general typing and data entry tasks. Its low-profile design is not only sleek but also promotes a comfortable hand position, reducing strain during prolonged use. Additionally, the keys are resistant to wear, ensuring long-lasting legibility and performance. Wireless connectivity is achieved through a 2.4 GHz receiver, ensuring a stable and lag-free connection. This eliminates the clutter of cables, offering greater workspace organization. With a battery life that lasts up to several months, users benefit from minimal interruptions, and its power-saving features enhance usability further. Number 2. The Keychron C1 hot-swappable wired mechanical keyboard is a 10-keyless, 87-key keyboard designed for versatility and customization, making it an excellent choice for Mac, Windows, and PC users. With a hot-swappable feature, users can easily replace switches without soldering, allowing for personalized typing preferences and long-term flexibility. Equipped with Keychron G Pro Red switches, the keyboard delivers a smooth, linear typing experience, ideal for gaming and quiet work environments. The switches are durable and responsive, supporting extended usage while maintaining performance. The double-shot ABS keycaps provide durability and a premium feel, with legends that resist fading over time. The keyboard features a white backlight, enhancing visibility and adding a subtle aesthetic touch to any setup. Its USB Type-C connectivity ensures a stable and fast connection, while its wired design offers reliable performance without battery concerns. Built with Mac users in mind, the Keychron C1 includes Mac-specific keycaps and supports macOS shortcuts. It also comes with a Windows layout, making it seamlessly compatible with multiple operating systems. The compact 10-keyless layout saves desk space while retaining all essential keys for productivity. With a sturdy frame and ergonomic design, the C1 provides a comfortable typing experience. Its plug-and-play setup ensures ease of use for both casual and professional users, whether for work, gaming, or creative tasks. Number 3. The Roccat Magma Mini is a compact 60% RGB gaming keyboard designed for gamers who value portability, style, and performance. Its small footprint saves desk space while maintaining essential functionality, making it ideal for minimalistic setups or on-the-go gaming. The keyboard features 5 programmable RGB lighting zones that deliver vibrant and customizable illumination, enhancing the gaming experience. The lighting is dynamic and allows for personalization through Roccat software, letting users sync it with other compatible peripherals. Equipped with membrane key switches, the Magma Mini provides a quiet and soft typing experience, suitable for gamers who prefer a less tactile and quieter keystroke. Despite being membrane-based, the keyboard is built with anti-ghosting technology, ensuring precise and accurate inputs, even during intense gaming sessions. The programmable function layers expand the keyboard's capabilities, allowing users to access additional commands and macros without the need for extra keys. This feature enhances efficiency and customization for gaming or productivity tasks. One standout feature is its spill-resistant design, providing added durability and protection against accidental liquid spills. This makes the keyboard a practical choice for everyday use in dynamic environments. Number 4. The Logitech Wave Keys for Business is a wireless ergonomic keyboard designed to enhance typing comfort and productivity in professional environments. Its standout feature is the wave-shaped keyframe, which supports a more natural hand and wrist position, reducing strain during extended typing sessions. The keyboard also includes a cushioned palm rest for added comfort, making it ideal for all-day use. Equipped with Logitech technology, the keyboard ensures a secure and reliable wireless connection, minimizing interference in busy office settings. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity, offering versatile compatibility with multiple devices, including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Linux. The full-size layout includes all essential keys for productivity, including a number pad, making it suitable for tasks that require frequent data entry. Its ergonomic design combines functionality with comfort, appealing to users who prioritize health-conscious typing solutions. Battery life is optimized for business use, providing extended uptime before needing replacements. The keyboard's quiet keys are designed to maintain focus in shared or open office spaces. With plug-and-play compatibility, setup is straightforward, and switching between devices is seamless, enhancing workflow efficiency. Its durable build and thoughtful design cater to the demands of professional environments. Number 5. The Amazon Basics wired keyboard is a simple, budget-friendly, full-sized keyboard designed for everyday use. Featuring a standard QWERTY layout, it includes a numeric keypad, making it suitable for general typing, office tasks, and data entry. Its wired USB connection ensures a stable and lag-free experience without the need for batteries, offering a straightforward plug-and-play setup that works seamlessly with most devices and operating systems. The keyboard's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to integrate into various workspaces without taking up excessive desk space. Built with quiet keys, it provides a comfortable typing experience with minimal noise, making it a practical choice for shared environments. Its durable plastic construction is robust enough to handle regular usage, and its matte black finish gives it a clean and professional appearance. While the Amazon Basics wired keyboard lacks advanced features such as backlighting or programmable keys, it excels in delivering reliable performance at an affordable price point. It's an ideal option for those who need a no-frills, dependable keyboard for home, office, or educational use.